How to access Apple iCloud files, pictures, etc. on Microsoft Windows. I mean Windows. Now let me cut to the chase and I will tell you how. It's really quite simple. All you have to do is install the iCloud for Windows application, and even Apple wrote a short little support article. This will allow you to access your photos, fotografias, videos, mail, calendar, files, and other information on Microsoft Windows. And they even provided a link to the Microsoft Store. So here is the Microsoft Store page for the Apple iCloud application for Microsoft Windows or Windows. Uniform resource locator is on screen. You can perform an internet search and find this page, or you just go to the Windows Store and then type in Apple iCloud and you should find it. Now, you can also, what does that say? Okay. Also, on Windows 10 and Windows 11, you can open up the Windows Store application and look for it or search for it. You may have to search for it, but it's right here. It's free. And let's see, so that's it. That's all you have to do, is you have to install the Apple iCloud application onto Microslop Windows operating systems, Windows 10, Windows 11. I'm not sure about Windows 7. I don't think so. Alright, now let me go into this announcement and we'll go into further details. I have 6 minutes. This is the official blogs.windows.com devices. Today's date, introducing new Surface devices. Now this is a lengthy blog post. This dealt with the Surface, which I didn't care, that Surface event where they announce new devices and blah blah blah. One of the announcements was a rollout for the Apple iCloud application. I think it has been available for a while, but okay. In this announcement, it is next month it will be rolled out to everybody. Until next month, it will only be available to certain users. And let's see, we can go through these details here. Okay, so it's an integration with iCloud using the Photos application in Windows 11. And you just install the iCloud for Windows application, which I already showed you. And that will allow you to sync your iCloud photografias, but not just your photographs. I think maybe your contacts and any other data that is available with your iCloud. Some knucklehead just made a noise, so I have to. I'm still working on finding more permanent premises so that I can record these videos, and I will never get distracted, and you won't hear any background noise from these knuckleheads. Okay, let's move along from that. Okay, now it's only available right now for certain users. In November, it'll be available for all users. Okay, and then here is the application. This is the Apple support page. Just very few details. It just hey, at least they created this page. It even links to the Windows Store page. Microsoft and Apple have a partnership, and that's why they allow this. And then here is the Windows Store page. There's a couple of reviews, a couple people. Okay, let's see what you can. Now this is what you can integrate. You can synchronize into Microsoft Windows. Your photografias, videos, any email, calendar, and I think contacts. Let's see, photos. Your iCloud Drive will be accessible. Your passwords. Oh yes, I was correct. Mail, contact, calendars, and even bookmarks. And then, now this is the requirements. This application requires Outlook 2000. Oh, no. The mail, contacts, and calendars requires Microsoft Outlook 2016 or newer. The passwords feature will require Google Chrome 91 or newer. You could also use Microsoft Edge version 91 or newer. The bookmarks feature requires Google Chrome web browser version 91 or newer. You could also use Mozilla Firefox version 78 or newer, and you could also use Internet Explorer, but Internet Explorer has been officially retired. However, I think I could be wrong, but I think Microsoft Edge has a Internet Explorer feature where if you do try to use Internet Explorer, it opens it up in Microsoft Edge. I think Microsoft Edge is backwards compatible with Microsoft Internet Explorer web browser. I think I recorded a video. You can look for that video on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/anetcomputers. I'm trying to think if it was grandfathered or if it was. I think next year they're going to disable that feature and then it will just forward. But, well, no, wait a minute. I think for now you can still use Internet Explorer. You might be able to, but I thought it was either this year, later this year, or next year they're going to retire that. But then I think Microsoft Edge will be Internet Explorer compatible. Oh, anything further? I have about a minute. You know what? I'm going to... Oh, I have a minute. There was another item that I wanted to make sure that I included in this video. And this is complete freestyle. This is the end of the video. You can leave. You probably left. I don't care. I don't care about, I just don't care about metrics on YouTube. So I'm going to transition, and there was one detail that I wanted to make sure that I didn't leave out. And let me see if I can find that article. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, I'm at the 8-minute mark. I have about 10 seconds. You know what? Forget it. Because, chances are that most end users are not part of this other group, and by the time this video starts receiving views, it'll probably be next month, which will be November. So in a month, most users will have access to this application, and you'll be able to download it, and you'll be able to access your iCloud and how to access Apple iCloud files, pictures on Microsoft Windows. Adios. And then remember, I'm pretty sure it supports both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Adios.